or by the oceans. Ocean temperatures are increasing. We see that, we talk about it all the time. But one other thing that's also increasing is the ocean heat content. Generally, that's not just the heat of the surface temperature, but how much is below that, and that's increasing.
So welcome, folks. This is Hotel Wyatt Earp. Since I was going to go up to Ponca City, I had to go the scenic way and stopped off. Hey, let me try this. See myself and see if I'm in focus. Oh, heck no. Let me back that up and see. Oh! Hi, folks. It's me again. Not going to believe what I'm watching. Huh. Remember that show? So here, let's do it this way. This is selfie style. If I do it right, oh, we got to do it in the bathroom. You know, where's the mirror? I haven't even checked the thing out. You know, the hi selfie. This is how people selfie, so I'm just going to freaking record. But this is Hotel Wyatt Earp. Out in, where am I at? I can't remember. I just got off the road and I'm hungry. Oh, we're in Dodge City, Kansas. Because I haven't been to Dodge before. On my way the scenic route to Ponca City for that class, I stopped here 300 miles out of the way. Let's see what we got. Alright, it's cool. We're doing this really quick because I want to eat. Oh yeah, this is me and my freaking chaps and shit. This is the room. Usually I take a picture of it, but I'm videotaping it. The word interesting when you sit on that bed. I'm not complaining, dude. It's a one-star hotel, 50 bucks a night. I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining at all. I just hope that it's not too adventurous. But that's the room. Let's go meet our neighbors. Once again. This is our parking lot. The sun is coming down. My bike, you can't see it. It's around that corner back there. It's gonna be parked right here tonight. That's the parking lot. You got a DQ and some other stuff and a very bright sun. Alright, what do you get in a one-star? Here, let me do this. Alright, what do you get in a one-star hotel? You get the Flintstones. Really funny story, that video I put out for that stay in Texoma. Their cable was 7 channels of infomercials and then 1 crap channel, and it repeated that for 400 channels. They got Cox here. They don't take sides on anything. But watch this when I press the guide. It's little things. They have all sorts of channels. I'm not going to scroll through because I'm just too hungry. But for 50 bucks I get 10 times the cable as they have over there. Little decor. I'm just doing it really quick. I tried to bring it home. Interesting, they've got tiled ceilings, old furniture. I guess everybody has to have a table and chair. Got that. For what it is, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. I got 2 beds to choose from. I did choose the first floor, so I can't complain about that. But and some interesting old ass lamps. That's all I got for the moment. I'm gonna get out of my riding gear. I'm gonna get something to eat. Alright, I'm just winging it. Taking off these chaps. I left out of my house at 8:30 this morning. It's 40 degrees. That was all weathered up. Ready for cold. And I had to actually pack on more. I ended up going to my face mask, my gauntlets because it was cold. Also my chaps, which I'm removing. It's too freaking hot. Probably like 78 to 84 degrees outside. I don't know. I don't know. I'm taking these off. I'm going to shut off the cameras. And you have the right to use it now. Alright, I'm going to get something to eat. Cash now. Call Peachtree today. Call 866-773-4450. Alright, you guys are saying that. This show is rated for children. Representatives are available now. So that is how I learned how to breathe after wreck. I'll catch you cats later. Howdy everybody, you probably can't see me. Once again, I'm Jay. I'm on another crazy road trip. I'm out in the middle of nowhere, Dodge, Kansas. And there are no Dodges here, there's a lot of Fords and Chevys. Anyways, I got here about 3 or 4 hours ago, got the tire on my bike done, and I came over to get some tobacco products. And I just found one of the coolest, most down-to-earth artistic people in the world, and I have to introduce you to her. Everybody.
Hi, I'm Taylor here at the in Dodge City, Kansas. Nice to see you guys.
Isolated risk of tornadoes with a 3 out of 10 from northeast Texas, northwest Arkansas, eastern Oklahoma, southwestern Missouri. Again, we have that turning of the winds with height, so that's going to be the concern.